Scarper, the art of running away. Hey there, language enthusiasts! Today, we're going to unravel the interesting English slang term, Scarper. By the end of this video, not only will you understand its meaning, but also its origins and how to use it in a sentence. So, let's Scarper into it. Scarper is a British slang term that means to run away quickly, especially to avoid being caught. It's similar to saying, make a quick exit, or bolt. For example, if someone shouted, the teacher is coming, you might reply, let's Scarper, to suggest that everyone should leave quickly. The term Scarper has an intriguing origin. It is believed to have derived from the Italian word scappare, which means to escape. The term made its way into English Cockney rhyming slang as scapa flow, referring to a World War I naval base, which rhymes with go. Over time, this evolved to just Scarper, primarily used in London but eventually spreading throughout the UK. To help you get a better grip on its use, here are some example sentences. 1. When the dog saw the cat, it scarpered up the tree. 2. I accidentally broke a vase in the store and decided to scarper before anyone noticed. 3. If we don't scarper now, we'll be late for the movie. Remember, scarper is informal slang, so it's best used in casual conversations rather than formal settings. And there you have it. Now you know what Scarper means, where it came from, and how to use it like a pro. We hope this adds a fun element to your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of language. Happy learning!